Hey, welcome to Creating Through Chaos. Today we're going to make a Christmas tree out of the little wood discs using a canvas, and we're going to turn it into a reverse canvas. First thing you're going to do is cut open your canvas. This is an 8x10. Use a box cutter knife or a razor blade, and you're going to want to score all the way around the back side of the canvas and try and score underneath all of the staples so that you're not using it on the opposite side because you want to pull the canvas off. Once you have it all cut, you can start pulling the canvas off of the frame. Once you have it off, now you want to remove the excess canvas and all of the staples that were holding the canvas onto the frame. This can be a tedious job. You want to use a small flathead screwdriver and a pair of snips of some sort to pull the staples out. What I do is I just stick the flathead underneath the staple and push up as much as I can, and then I use the cutters to pull it the rest of the way out. It seems to be the easiest and fastest way to do this. Now that all the staples are removed, we want to cut the canvas to actually fit the frame because it's too big currently for the frame. So you want to estimate about where you need to start cutting and cut your canvas to fit the frame. Now the canvas fits perfectly on the back side of the frame. Next step, I'm going to paint the canvas with a quick coat of white paint. Once that's finished, I'll set that aside, and now we can work on the frame. I'm using a brown wax to paint the entire frame. You're going to give it a nice generous coat throughout the whole frame. You want to make sure you get the insides where the corners are jointed together. This wax gives the frame a look of being stained. I got my wax at Hobby Lobby. I used kind of a rough brush that I had that had a little bit of stiffer bristles than usual to make sure that I was able to get it into all the crevices of the wood. And this part's messy. Your hands get lots of wax all over them. Once you have the whole frame coated, you're going to want to wipe off the excess with a rag or a paper towel. This also helps speed up the drying. Now you have a really nice stained frame. You take your canvas, put the painted side down on the back side of the frame, and glue it. I used hot glue, just lined it up along all the edges. And made sure the canvas was pulled tight. Now we're ready to decorate inside. You're going to take your wooden discs and you're going to start off with one at the top, then two, and then three, and then four discs. And then you'll need one for the trunk. Once you have them placed out, you can start hot gluing them down. I love these little round discs. I got them on Amazon. They're really, really thin and they're light colored and they're very smooth. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got mine from. Now that we have all of our pieces glued down, now we have our little tree. Next, I'm going to glue on this greenery that I actually stole off of a Dollar General Christmas ornament that I got last year. I thought it was perfect for this project. I'm going to glue that right to the top of the tree. I just love how natural and beautiful this project came out. Thanks for watching.